today's project, you will need yarn in the color that you want for the background of your coffee cup sleeve. You'll need a shade of green for the embroidered Christmas tree and a shade of brown for the trunk of your Christmas tree. You also need some scissors, a needle for embroidering and tucking your strings, and today I'm going to use a size 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I'm going to begin by chaining 26. And I suggest having a coffee cup near you when you do it, just because your tension might be more loose or more tight than mine, and you want to make sure that your sleeve will fit around a cup. And actually mine was a little too tight, so I'm going to do 28 chains. So 26, there we go, and that wraps around. So 28 chains, and then I'm going to make sure it's not twisted, but that it's straight. And then I'm going to come and do a slip stitch into the first chain. And then I'm going to chain one. So now I have a ring. Okay, we're going to work in rounds, and for this first round, make sure that you have chained 2. I chained 1 already. And then we are going to make a double crochet into each chain around this round. I will meet you guys at the end of this first round. So 1 less than whatever you chained. And that is our first round. And then for the next 4 rounds, we're going to chain 2 and double crochet all the way around, joining together with the slip stitch, just like we did. You should have the same amount of stitches that you had in your last round. I will meet you guys at the end of 4 more rounds, so a total of 5 rounds. For me, 27 double crochets. I'll see you guys at the end. Okay, I just finished that last round, and I'm just gonna double check that this fits nicely on my cup. And it does. If you wanted a 6th round, that would be fine, but it doesn't need to have a 6th round. It's up to you. So because that fits nice, I'm going to go ahead and cut my yarn off. I'm going to tuck my strings in real quick onto the back side before I embroider the Christmas tree on. I just finished tucking the strings, and I turned my work back right side out. And now I'm going to work on the opposite side of my seam, and I'm going to embroider a Christmas tree into the coffee cup sleeve. And I don't have a perfect way of doing this. I'm actually just kind of freehanding it, giving it a try. So if you have another way that you like, that would be perfect too. Whatever ends up looking good to you. go. This is my little Christmas tree. And now I'm going to tuck the green strings in the back. And then I will add the trunk. And there it is, all done. It is ready to go on to your favorite coffee cup. And gives it a nice little Christmassy feeling. It's a pretty simple one to do. And this would actually be a good project for some leftover yarn scraps you have from other projects. So it would be a good use of that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you make your own, please post it and tag me. I'd love to see what you guys have made. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.